In this video, we will show you how to apply Swarovski Hotfix transfers using a heat press. Check if your carrier material is suitable for Hotfix application. You will know if the material offers good absorbency if the drops of water are quickly absorbed by the fabric. Peel off the white protective film and place the transfer motif on the fabric in the desired position. Place a Teflon foil between the layers of fabric to avoid gluing them together. To protect the fabric in the heat press from any glue residue, use another Teflon foil. Select the correct application side, temperature, application time, and pressure to suit the product and material. See the recommendations in the Hotfix selector. After the application is done, use a simple pressing cloth to apply additional pressure to the product. Once the product is at least hand warm, the transparent film can be removed at an acute angle.